So this is just a really quick review. I just got the new Comply True Grip premium memory foams for the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, and they're really excellent. They're about $30, but I have a little promo code. None of this is sponsored, but I'll leave the promo code down below in case you want to buy them. And I do have to say they're worth it. They're expensive. They're like $25, $30 for 3 pairs, so $10 a pair. And really what makes them kind of special is they just stick into your ears. So they're this part right here, it just kind of like stays in your ears. I've bought about, I don't know, 5 different AliExpress versions. And don't get me wrong, these are nice. So I spent about $6. And this is the one you should buy, this NS Navy Storm. They have a bunch of different versions of them, but this is the nicest AliExpress version. And if you look, they are really soft. So they're softer than the Comply, but they don't stick in your ears as well. They also have a smaller hole, so you don't get as good of a sound. Let me see if I can show you the difference. So they have this kind of silver mesh, kind of like a larger mesh. And then if you look at the Comply tips, Lulu, are you interested in what's going on? Yeah, okay. So if you look at the Comply tips, they actually have kind of a black mesh, and it's a thinner mesh, and so you get a tiny bit more sound. If I'm being honest, these are a little more comfortable, but they do fall out of your ears, and just a tiny bit more comfortable. The Comply tips really click in there nicely, and Comply did a really good job of shaping these so your buds fit in perfectly. These ones are a little wider, so you kind of have to push your buds in, and sometimes I'll get the notification that says like, hey, your buds are popping out. But these Comply ones, if you look, they have like a perfect little oval shape to them, and they pop in there, and then watch, we'll just look. So it detected it. You don't have to push it down or anything. Let's see. And they also come with this little tool. You don't need it, to be honest, but you pop it in there. So you pop it like that, and then you can just kind of like pop them off, so you don't have to like squeeze them off, but you don't even need to use that. They also come with this little tiny wiper to clean them off, also probably not necessary. Yeah, but anyways, just wanted to make a quick video. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below. This is not sponsored content. I just was kind of struggling with keeping these in my ear. They'd fall out with the silicone tips and kind of made them unusable for any sort of activity besides, you know, just walking around. And this has really fixed it. So I'd say, honestly, the best headphones on the market, even though they have this stupid case design where you have to twist the buds. They have the best sound, and now with these ear tips, they stay in your ear and they're comfortable. So if you are in the market for earbuds, I highly recommend these, even if you have like a Pixel or other Android device. If you have Apple, just get the AirPods Pro. These sound a tiny bit better, but the AirPods Pro have better transparency, or about the same, and more, they work better with Apple. So any sort of Android, these ones with Comply tips. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you all have a wonderful evening, and I appreciate you checking out my channel.